In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket and 10 like hockey and cricket both. Okay, so there are totally 65 people, out of which 40 of them like cricket, and out of that 10 likes both hockey and cricket. So since it is hockey and cricket, which is common, it means I'm supposed to take intersection. Yes. So since it says hockey and cricket both, they like both hockey and cricket, which means these players play both hockey as well as cricket commonly. So 10 is H intersection C. Now what are they asking us? How many like cricket only? Okay, how many like cricket only? Cricket only is where we get the data here. So I already have explained, sorry, I not there, to the other side. Okay, so I have already explained you what is the difference between the number of people who play cricket and the number of people who play only cricket. You all know the difference, right? Number of people who play cricket and number of people who play only cricket, when I am talking about only. So which means they are dedicated only with the cricket game and they don't go to hockey. Fine. And how many like hockey? So N of H is required and N of only C. Only C is supposed to be found out. So we can do this using the Venn diagram. We can also do this using the formula. Okay, when we let's first do it with the Venn diagram. Okay, and then we will try it with the formula. Now first it's gonna be, okay, people who can't hear me, it might be the network issue from your end, because my network is stable here. Others can hear me except Imran. I'm audible, right? Yes. Okay, great. So this is the universal set, and in that we have set cricket and set hockey. Okay, set cricket and set hockey. Fine. So this is gonna be cricket. Okay, let me change the color. This is gonna be cricket and this is gonna be hockey. And this is the universal set. Now total, our group total is 65 people. Okay, we have total of 65 people. Out of that, they have told 40 people will play cricket and 10 people will play cricket and hockey. So that 10, I can write it here because it is common for both cricket and hockey. Yes or no? I can write 10 here because this represents C intersection H. This part represents C intersection H. So I can write them in this place. Okay. Now, I have 40 people who play cricket. Now I'm supposed to find out the people, how many people will play cricket only. 40 people play cricket, 10 of them will play both cricket and hockey. Now, suppose if I subtract 40 and 10, okay, suppose if I subtract 10 from 40, what will be the answer? 40 minus 10 is? 40 minus 10 is 30. Now, can I say 30 people play only cricket? Once again, I'll repeat it once again. 40 people like cricket. Okay. So 40 people are there who like cricket. But out of that 40 people, they also say 10 of them like both cricket and hockey. So 40 people like cricket. Out of this, there are 10 people who like both cricket as well as hockey. Now, I want to find out the number of people who only like cricket. They are very much dedicated only to play cricket. So if I subtract this common number of members, okay, if I subtract this common number of members, the resultant 30, can I say only cricket? They purely play only cricket. They don't even like to turn around any other game. Can I say that? Everybody must answer. Did you all understand this calculation which I'm trying to do here? Yes? Okay. Now, 30 are the people who like to play cricket only. So, for my first question, that was how many like to play cricket only? See, cricket only. So, using Venn diagram, I found out 30 of them like to play cricket only. But when you talk about number of people like to play cricket, I am repeating it again. There is a difference between playing cricket and playing cricket only. When you have only as an addition, which means no common elements, no intersection will be taken. So only cricket are 30 people. But the same thing when I talk about how many of them will play cricket, it is nothing but I have 40 of them here. Yes? So 30 and 40. Understood? Any doubts until here? Can we go for the second question? Second part of the question. How many like cricket and not hockey? This is fine. Can I go to the second part of the question here? Okay. Now, since we have found out, come back to the Venn diagram again. Since we have found out cricket and there is C intersection H. Okay. And the total number of people who play. Let me choose. Okay. Total number of people who play cricket are 40, out of which 30 will play only cricket and 10 will play both cricket and hockey. This is understood. Now let us find out how many of them will play hockey all together. Okay, how many of them will play hockey all together? Now we have total 65 in a group. Yes, we have total 65 in a group, out of which 30 people will play only cricket. How many are left out? What is the answer here? 65 are the people left in the group. I mean, the overall group strength is 65. Out of that, 30 of them will play only cricket. So what is left out? 35 is left out. Now, out of this, I will again subtract 10 who play both cricket and hockey. I subtract 10 again. So what is the result that is remaining? 25. Out of 65, 30 people play only cricket. 35 is remaining. Out of 35, 10 people play both the game, that is cricket as well as hockey. So now what is the leftover? 25. So 25 people will play only hockey. Okay, 25 people will play only hockey. Understood? Yes, 25. 25 people will play only hockey. Did you all understand until here? Okay. Now, let us read the question once again. How many like hockey? They've just asked how many like hockey. Again, I repeat, there is difference between number of people who like hockey and number of people who only like hockey. Okay, now this 25 number, the number 25 which we have found out here, are the people who like only hockey. So only hockey are 25. Now suppose if I want the number for number of people who like hockey or who play hockey, I'm supposed to take this whole circle here, that is 25 plus 10. So 25 plus 10, that is nothing but 35 people like hockey. So that will give me the answer for second question, second part of the question, that is how many like hockey. Okay, let's revise everything. We'll summarize until now whatever we have read, we will summarize that one. So I think that will help you to understand it better. Okay, now first we are solving it using a Venn diagram. Now in the Venn diagram, we have totally 65 people. Out of that, we have set cricket and set hockey. Now in set cricket, what is happening is they are saying us 40 of them will like cricket. 40 of them like cricket. Out of this 40, 10 of them like both cricket as well as hockey. So this both cricket as well as hockey is nothing but C intersection H. Now in a Venn diagram, where do I write C intersection H? In this overlapping of the sets. So this 10 is C intersection H. And the first part of question is asking me to find out how many like cricket only and not hockey. Cricket only is given to us. So cricket only is nothing but this 40 minus 10. Okay, so this 40 minus 10 will give me 30. So 30 people like only 30 people like only cricket and they don't play hockey. Fine. So that was our first part of the question. Now coming to the second part of the question, how many like hockey? We are going to use the similar way to understand that also. Now out of 65, 30 people like only cricket. Okay, these are only cricket. So I'm going to subtract that because we want the number for hockey, right? So I'm going to take out all the cricket players. So I'm left out with 35. Now out of this 35, 10 of them, okay, 10 of them like to play both cricket as well as hockey. But what I wanted to find out as of now is only for hockey. I don't want cricket. So what I will do, I will take out that 10 also, where I get 25. Now this 25 is only hockey. Okay, this 25 is only hockey. So only hockey also I got the number. Yes. Now this completes my Venn diagram. Okay, this completes my Venn diagram. Now let us read the question once again. The question again says, how many of them like hockey? Like, it's just like, which means I'm supposed to consider this whole set. That is 25 plus 10, which is nothing but 35 people like hockey. Everybody understood? Did you all understand? Okay. Now, let us solve the same thing using the formula. Okay. So here n of C union H, this 65, I am considering that as C union H. And then n of C is nothing but 40 people who like cricket. And I don't know what is n of H. I don't know how many people like hockey, because that is our question. Okay. Now, intersection part I know, that is hockey and cricket both. That is nothing but 10. So apply all the numbers. 65 is equal to 40 plus n of H minus 10. Now 65 is equal to 40 minus 10 is nothing but 30. 30 plus n of H. Now 65 minus, if I take 30 to the other side here, it becomes minus. Okay. So 65 minus 30 is equal to n of H. So n of H, that is number of people who like hockey, are nothing but 35 people. Okay. So since n of C intersection H is 10, n of C intersection H is 10, the number of people who like hockey are 35. 10 plus 25, 35. Here also, if you see, you get the same 35. Understood? Any doubts in this problem? Can we go for the next problem? Guys, you have to reply. Can we go for the next problem? Okay. Now going on to the next problem. Okay, wait. Before this, we will do this. Okay, and then we will go to the three sets. First, we will finish two sets. You people should get familiar with the two sets. Now, in a class of 50 students, okay, in a class of 50 students, 15 do not participate in any games. Out of 50 students, 15 don't participate in any games. Then 25 play cricket. Again, out of 50, 25 play cricket. And 20 play football. 20 play football. Find the number of students who play both cricket and football. Now, what am I supposed to find? Should I find union or intersection? Read the question carefully. Find the number of students who play both cricket and football. Kirti, are we supposed to find union or intersection? Think carefully and answer. I want everybody to answer. So 15 of them don't play anything. 25 of them play cricket and 20 of them play football. Exactly. So we are supposed to find out the intersection here because it is common to both of them. Now, out of 25 people here, it doesn't say only cricket, right? Or this also doesn't say only football. It just says number of people who play cricket, which means in this 25, there are also few students who Can you all hear me?